Hi everyone, here is another recipe from Kim's Kitchen. Today we are making sweet and sour chicken ball. Chinese takeaway style chicken ball with homemade sweet and sour sauce. Perfect as an appetizer or party snack. First, cut the chicken breast into 1-inch slices. Marinate with 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Mix it well and set it aside. To make the batter, add 1 cup of plain flour, 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Then add 1 cup of water and make it into smooth paste. Now coat the chicken with cornstarch. Then dip it into the batter. Fry with high heat oil for 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken starts to float. Then remove from oil and let it cool down for 4 to 5 minutes. Then fry it again until crispy golden brown. To make the sweet and sour sauce, add 1/2 cup of water, 4 tablespoons vinegar, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 4 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon tomato puree. Mix it well and simmer the sauce with low-medium heat to desired consistency. Crispy, fluffy Chinese chicken balls is ready to serve with homemade sweet and sour sauce. I hope you enjoyed this sweet and sour chicken ball recipe, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.